Guess it's the week of super low mileage vehicles here at PC Classic Cars. This is a 94 OBS truck with 8,000 miles. I know I don't have the self-discipline to keep a truck with that low of miles. In the comments, let us know if you could. This thing is sweet. It's an 8,000 mile OBS truck. For me, it doesn't matter if it's a two-wheel drive, a four-wheel drive, extended cab, even a crew cab 2500, or a four-wheel drive 1500. An OBS truck with 8,754 actual miles is just nuts. This thing is crazy clean. It is a 94 Chevrolet C1500 with, again, documented 8,700 and change miles. Clean Carfax, clean Autocheck. No accidents or damage ever reported, and it's just really, really nice front to back. Has its original numbers matching, fuel injected, 5.7, runs like a brand new motor, backed by the 700R4 automatic overdrive transmission, which again shifts exactly like you want it to. This thing drives like a brand new pickup. Power steering, power disc brakes, AC's cold. I got it on right now, and it's very comfortable in here. Heat also works. Really nothing to complain about mechanically. I would hop in this truck and drive it across the country if someone wanted to. Factory exhaust system. I'd put Flowmasters on it. I know that's sacrilegious on a super low mileage truck, but I like a little bit more exhaust. That's just my personal preference, but the factory exhaust is in excellent shape as well. On the interior here, it's the factory Garnet cloth interior, and it's damn near basically brand new in here. The dash looks great, the carpet looks great, floor mats, door panels, steering wheel, gauges, back seat, headliner, and visors, all of that is in excellent condition. Everything again in here is in fantastic condition. Gauges are all clear and easy to read. Factory heat and AC controls. Plastics over on the side of the dash look good. No cracks up on the top plastic. Rearview mirror looks good. Just a great truck. The only thing that is not working on this truck, which is really simple, you have your little map lights here. The passenger side one works. The driver's side bulb is not illuminating. So that's the only thing we have listed as a no. You will not actually see that on the Does It Work section because there's no spot for the map light, but that driver's side map light is not illuminating. Everything else is going to be listed as a yes. Lights, gauges, horn, wipers, radio, heat, AC, parking brake, cruise control, all that stuff is good to go. That Does It Work section will be found on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Click on the inventory tab, scroll to the very bottom, and then you'll see the additional media section for this particular truck. While we're sitting here, you have your plastic, your cup holders that open and close properly. You have your RPO codes inside the glove box there. You have all your seat belts, which are in excellent condition as well. Your flasher button, which kicks on, kicks off like it should. To be honest, I don't know if the cassette player works. I don't have any cassettes to put in there, but everything else is, again, good to go on this one. Just the way OBS trucks drive, it's something if you don't want to buy a new truck and spend the crazy amount of money on a new pickup, but you want something that's reliable and easy to work on, these OBS trucks, it really doesn't get better than that. And this one's basically brand new. Smooth power from the 5.7, transmission shifts great. I can't complain about a thing on this pickup. On the underneath, like you'd expect for an 8,000 mile truck, it shows almost like a brand new truck. The floors are great, the frame's great, no problems of any kind on the bottom. The exterior of the truck is the same way. It represents like a low mileage pickup, which is what it is. It's factory red paint, shows well. You do have some touch-ups. It happens for low mileage trucks and vehicles that sit in garages. You get some little stone chips, little touch-ups here and there. This one, again, has a few on the front of the hood. There is some scuffs on the edge of the driver's door over here. There's a little bit larger of a touch-up over on the passenger side lower rocker, or maybe it was the lower portion of the door. There's like a little circle spot, maybe about the size of a $50 that's been kind of like touched up. You'll see photos of all this stuff in the additional media tab on the website, pcclassiccars.com. You'll see all the photos of those imperfections, so make sure you guys check that out. Stock wheels are in great shape, 2022, I believe, or 2021 on the tires. No dry rot, no cracking, ready to roll on the tires for a number of miles to go. Grill looks good. Tailgate, inside the bed, all of that is nice. You do have the bed caps and the tailgate cap, which show well. On the front portion of the top of the bed, right below the back glass, there's some little scuffs there. Maybe it had a topper on it at one point, but there's some scuffs in the paint up there. Again, I'm being pretty nitpicky. It really is a nice 8,000 mile truck. I feel like I'm driving a new modern vehicle. I've always loved how these perform out on the open road. I've owned them with low miles like this. I've owned them with over 200,000 miles, and they still drive nice. They're just reliable, known to go for a really long time. They made millions of these trucks, so they're just great. They're super fun to own. They're easy to work on. Parts are readily available. So my complaint list on any OBS truck is damn near nothing. Suspension is all factory. This is a two-wheel drive truck, being a C1500. Front end checks out great. Steering components check out great. Nothing is out of place at all. Rear end, no weird noises back there. All your glass is in really good condition. We did obliterate that bug on the windshield, so that is a bug, not a stone chip or a crack. But there is a few little nicks in the glass, and then on the outside of the original windshield, again, outside, you can't see from the inside of the truck, but on the outside you can see some delamination happening on the windshield. Power windows work like they should. Power locks work like they should. You have your pop open side windows in the back. You have your manually sliding back glass back there, so if you do want to get some airflow in here, you can. Side mirrors are manual, obviously. Clear and easy to see out of them, no haziness. Same thing with your rear view mirror, no dirty spots on the corners, which those normally get. Visors, again, are in really good condition. These videos when these trucks are super low mileage like this, they tend to be a little bit shorter because there's nothing for me to complain about, and I can only tell y'all how much I enjoy driving these trucks and how great they are so many times. So I'll just shut up and I'll get in the throttle, let y'all hear the exhaust a little bit. Inside the bed back there does have a few little scuffs on the bed floor, but overall the inside of the bed is in great condition. Wheel wells back there also show really nice. The tailgate opens and closes properly, the doors open and close properly, and then same thing with your hood up front. In the engine compartment, the hood insulator does have a few flaws on the bottom of the hood insulator, but it is the original numbers matching fuel injected 5.7 that this truck was born with. Doesn't look like anything's really even been messed with. All of the belts look great. Serviceable items like fluids, plugs, wires, all that stuff checks out like it should. Charging system is doing its job. All of our gauges are right where we want them to be. Temperature's in line. Fuel gauge is working. Oil pressure is great. Tach, speedo, odometer, trip, all that stuff's rolling like it should. Got your cruise, got your tilt. We'll go ahead and set the cruise here real quick. Got our cruise on. Take that off. AC's nice and cold. Kick panels look nice. Lower portions of the door panels are also in great shape. Those are kind of notorious for kind of unraveling a little bit, and this one doesn't have those problems. Again, it's an 8,000 mile truck. There's not a whole lot you can really complain about. Carfax is clean. Autocheck is clean. Also have I believe we have the window sticker on this one. In that additional media tab, you'll see a photo of it if we do actually have the window sticker on this one. Don't want to tell y'all 100% wrong. This is one of those trucks that I could just go right on past my dealership and just keep on driving. This is a fun truck, and it's just super clean, and you just don't find OBS stuff with this low of miles. As always, I'm Michael. This is a 1994 Chevrolet C1500 with 8,761 actual miles, cold AC, original driveline, really nice truck front to back. From myself and everybody here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Check out all of the killer content we're posting across the social platforms every single day. We will catch you guys on the next video.